Welcome to the video on Recap of Risk Management Essentials. After watching this video, you will be able to review how to identify potential risks, assess and prioritize risks using a structured risk assessment matrix, and develop a risk management plan with mitigation strategies and responsibilities. You will also be able to explain how to develop and apply risk management concepts to create a comprehensive plan for the capstone project. Did you know that 70% of projects fail due to unanticipated risks? A solid risk management plan can turn surprises into manageable challenges, keeping your project on track and stakeholders aligned. Risk management ensures your project remains on track by proactively addressing potential issues. Whether data privacy concerns or resistance to workflow changes, an effective plan minimizes surprises and keeps stakeholders aligned. Effective risk management involves 3 essential steps. Step 1 is to identify risks by systematically uncovering challenges that could impact stakeholders, workflows, or systems. Step 2 is to analyze and assess risks, focusing on their likelihood and impact to effectively prioritize actions. Step 3 is to document the risk management plan, including strategies to mitigate risks and assigning responsibilities. The objective of Step 1 is to systematically identify risks that could affect stakeholders, workflows, or systems. To do this, you'll follow 3 key steps. First, review the project's objectives and constraints to understand the broader context. Next, analyze potential risks in critical areas such as operations, technology, and stakeholder engagement. Finally, use tools like brainstorming sessions or stakeholder interviews to uncover specific risks. The outcome of Step 1 is a comprehensive risk register. This document lists all identified risks along with detailed descriptions and categories, creating a solid foundation for managing them effectively. In the capstone project for Health First Care, some potential risks include data breaches during system updates, which could compromise sensitive information, staff resistance to adopting new workflows, potentially delaying operations, technology implementation delays, which might disrupt project timelines. By completing Step 1, you'll ensure no significant risks are overlooked, setting the stage for a successful risk management plan. The objective of Step 2 is to evaluate each risk based on its probability and severity. To complete this step, follow these actions. Use a risk assessment matrix to rate risks by likelihood and impact. Categorize risks into high, medium, or low priority. Focus resources on high priority risks to minimize their impact. The outcome of Step 2 is a clear risk assessment matrix that provides a visual guide for decision-making and resource allocation. In the capstone project for Health First Care, a data breach might have a high impact but low likelihood due to strong cybersecurity measures, while resistance to workflow adoption may have a medium impact but high likelihood, requiring targeted training and support. The objective of Step 3 is to create a detailed and actionable risk management plan. To complete this step, follow these actions. Include the risk register and risk assessment matrix as key references. Define mitigation strategies for high-priority risks, such as contingency plans or training programs. Assign roles and responsibilities for ongoing risk monitoring and management. The outcome of Step 3 is a comprehensive risk management plan that ensures all risks are addressed and stakeholders are aligned. This plan would include strategies to address delayed training or mitigate system downtime in the capstone project for Health First Care, ensuring the project stays on track. By the end of the risk management process, you will have 3 key deliverables that form the foundation of an effective plan. A risk register that provides detailed descriptions and categories for each identified risk. A risk assessment matrix that visually prioritizes risks based on their likelihood and impact. A comprehensive risk management plan that documents mitigation strategies and assigns responsibilities to manage risks proactively. These deliverables ensure your project is prepared to handle challenges and maintain alignment with stakeholders. In this video, you reviewed the 3 essential steps of risk management. Step 1 is to identify risks systematically by reviewing objectives, analyzing potential risks, and creating a comprehensive risk register. Step 2 analyzes and assesses risks using a risk assessment matrix, prioritizing risks based on their likelihood and impact. Step 3 documents the risk management plan by including the risk register and assessment matrix, defining mitigation strategies, and assigning responsibilities. These steps lead to 3 key deliverables: a detailed risk register, a prioritized risk assessment matrix, and a comprehensive risk management plan. Together, they ensure your project is prepared to manage risks effectively.